National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and central Texas, southeastern Hill County and central Texas, northern Limestone County and central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Balmet, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Belmet, Woodway, Mejia, Lacey Lakeview, Mark, Beverly Hills, Hubbard, Coolidge, Hallsburg, Fort Parker State Park, Northwest, Leroy, Mount Calm, Tahoe and Ross. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 328 and 347. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.